So the soup that I'm making today is my take on a French onion soup. This is one of the easiest ones to prepare because it doesn't take that many ingredients, and I choose to cook more vegetarian forward. So instead of beef stock, I'll use a vegetarian stock. Some of my favorite memories come from being in the kitchen with my grandma. I'd like to think I help her out, but I'm sure I was in the way most of the time. But just watching her cook, I definitely use those same techniques today whenever I'm cooking.
Hallway Shannon Andrews and Dr. Key. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny Recipe Series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru JB, talk. Toragoon.
Today we are making bison pot pie. For this recipe you will need 1 pound ground bison, substitute with ground chicken, turkey, or beef if you don't eat bison, 2 cans of mixed vegetables, drained and rinsed, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, this is optional, 2 cups bakery mix, half a cup of 1% milk. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. In a large skillet, brown ground bison over medium-high heat. The Otoe word for bison is che. Bison or buffalo is a traditional food that our ancestors have cooked and prepared for generations. All parts of the bison were used to make items for everyday living such as tools, weapons, housing, and clothing. The horns and the hooves were used for spoons and utensils, and the hair was used for ropes, bedding, and clothing. Bison is a lean protein because it's low in fat and cholesterol. Bison meat also provides B vitamins, vitamin E, iron, zinc, and magnesium. All of these nutrients help give us energy, build our immune system, and build and repair muscle tissue. Once the bison is cooked, add vegetables, soup, water, and spices. Stir to combine. Heat over medium heat until mixture starts to simmer. Change it up. Other vegetables can be added. Try chopped zucchini, squash, or mushrooms. Frozen or fresh vegetables could be used instead of the canned. While the bison mixture cooks, prepare the biscuit dough. In a medium bowl, mix bakery mix and milk until dough forms. Pour bison mixture into a 13 by 9 pan. Drop dough over the top by the spoonful, making 18 biscuits. Bake uncovered for 15 minutes. Serve warm. This recipe makes 6 servings. Enjoy!